everyone, welcome back to the new video. This is me Namrata. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy at this time. That's very important. Please do a little bit of exercise every day. And as you can see, I already glammed up. So now it's needless to say what I'm gonna do today in this video, right? You know it already. Yes, I'm going to show you how to achieve this look, and it's actually very easy to achieve, and it's inspired by Jacqueline Fernandez's look from the song called Genda Phool. Yes, I'm not a fan of that song, to be honest, but definitely I loved the look and I wanted to recreate it. And I also asked on my Instagram if I should do this look or not, and so many of you said do it. So I'm here right now. I hope you would love watching this video, but especially if you're coming from my Instagram, if you're a part of my Insta family, please let me know in the comment box. I'd love to know that if people are also watching my YouTube video. That would make me so happy. So now, without doing any further ado, let's begin. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and please follow me on my other social handles. I'll be mentioning the links in the description box below.
Like always, starting off with my bare face except the eyebrows that I've done off camera. And now I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty concealer as the eyeshadow base and applying that all over my eyelids. For eyes today, I picked this very affordable palette. I think so many of you already have this by now. And as transition shade, as you can see, I picked a very pale lavender shade and putting that in the upper crease. And to add little more warmth, I mixed two shades, two of the matte shades. One is very brownish, other one is little more in the pink side. So now blending all the shades together. Now I switched my brush into a precise one and putting two of the dark shades in the outer corner and blending that with the crease color I applied earlier. So that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna pick that pale lavender shade one more time and putting that all over my lid and blending that with the crease color. Basically, this eye makeup is very basic. You can do it even if you are a beginner or if you never used eyeshadow before. You can start with this kind of look. And now I'm gonna use this felt tip eyeliner by Wet n Wild and drawing a very thin line close to my upper lash line. And now I'm gonna go with this dark matte brown shadow and smoking out that thin line a little bit. That way it looks more defined. And now I'm gonna go with the face makeup, and today I used almost all the Wet n Wild products. I don't know how, it's not planned, but yeah, this is what I'm liking lately. The primer serum and their new dewy foundation, I'm using that as my base makeup. And to set my foundation today, I used this Maybelline Superstay compact powder. This one has very nice coverage to it, so it's very good as setting powder. And then I used the Huda Beauty concealer one more time to conceal some of the places. This one has very high coverage, but you can use any concealer of your choice, but it's my personal favorite. So just blending that with the brush first, and then for final blending I use the Wet Beauty blender. And now it's time to lock your base makeup on place. Today I picked my current favorite setting mist by Morphe. I love the way it applies and the finishing of it gives very nice natural finishing. And after this I went with this Hoola bronzer to add subtle definition to my face. And in that song Jacqueline had very subtle face, nothing too dramatic, so I just went with this bronzer and that's all about it, and applied on all the regular spots. For blush today I picked this Colourpop blush sticks in the shade Mini Me. It's more of a peachy undertone shade, and applied with my fingertips and blended with the brush. I think cream blushes are very easy to work with. And for highlighter, again I picked a very affordable option from drugstore. It's the Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna put the name in the description box. I can't remember the name, but it's one of my favorite. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the eye makeup. I'm using Wet n Wild Kohl pencil, very lightly, the black one, and then I used the flesh toned kohl pencil in the waterline. And to smoke out lower lash line very lightly, I used a matte brown shade from that palette. And now I'm adding little bit of highlighter in the inner corners. It makes our eyes look much bigger and widely open. And now curling lashes with the help of e.l.f. eyelash curler. And next I'm gonna put some falsies on. Today I went with a very natural finishing lashes. This is the Kiss Blowout Lashes, and again if you're a beginner then you can start with this lashes. These are very lightweight and gives very nice fuller look. And for lips today I picked two of the Kylie Cosmetics products. One is their ginger lip liner, which I use almost every day, and to fill my lips with I use their matte lipstick in the shade Autumn. It's a very nice peachy undertone nude shade for our skin tones. And that's pretty much it for the look. You don't have to do anything extra. It's a very nice defined yet beginner friendly look. You can definitely give it a try. And to match with that Jacqueline's look, I curled my hair, and this is the thing I always tend to forget. I applied little bit of mascara in my lower lashes, and that completes this look. And of course I added some accessories to match with that look even better. So if you liked watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and please make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.